welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing a terrarium. It is by this brand right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Now, it was very well packaged, as you can see. Let me go ahead and take the styrofoam out. I am not a fan of styrofoam, but I am a fan of it actually keeping my stuff intact when it's shipped. So this is what it looks like, all nicely boxed up. I'm gonna put this out. Woo. So the lid's on this side right there, so just be careful, because if it would have hit just wrong, it would have actually broke that, because it was packaged like this. So I figured that the lid would have been up here, like so. Look how stinking cute this is. Now, I got this because I like to propagate a lot of my plants, or if you have like corms or something from like an alocasia, these things are awesome. It just keeps in higher humidity. I do have some really high humidity plants that need a lot of humidity to survive. But it's also good if you just have cuttings or something and you want them to grow. This is a lot cuter than sticking it in like a container or something like that. It opens like this. And then in the inside, you have this little card. It just tells you thank you for your purchase. And it has the name of the brand and everything. And then if you want to follow them on any of their social media accounts, you can do that. But let me go ahead. I'm going to put some moss in here, and then I'm going to put some seeds, some corms to a alocasia poly that I have in here. And then I'm going to shut the lid, and it'll actually keep the humidity in the inside, and then it'll just be a lot easier for me to actually grow them. And then once they get too big for this, I usually just pot them up. But this is great for just starting out. You can also put like leca or perlite or anything like that in here, just depending on what exactly you want to, how you want to grow your plants. But let me go ahead and put some in here, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so as you can see, I got some moss. I wet it, drained out all the excess water, and you can already see the moisture in there. So this is actually just going to do that, like just keep it. And then I have my corms to my alocasia poly right here. So I'm just going to plant these down. I believe that this way is up ways. I think they grow this way. If not, they'll find their way whichever way they're supposed to grow. And you just hide them inside the moss. And then within a couple of months, they'll actually be sprouting, start to grow. And then once they get too big, once they get bigger than this, I'll actually transfer them all into one pot and just have a full plant, which is really nice. But that's pretty much how I like to use them. You can use this any way that you want to. You can put succulents or something like that. Although they really don't need high humidity, just anything that's struggling. If you have a plant that needs to be rehabbed, this is really good for that as well. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.